Hello, outdoor enthusiasts! Are you planning your next camping trip and want a reliable, eco-friendly power source? A solar generator can be a game changer for powering your gear while staying connected to nature. Today, we're counting down the top 5 solar generators for camping in 2024. Let's get started. 5. Jackery Explorer 1000 V2. A trusted name in portable power. With a 1002 watt-hour battery capacity and 1000 watt continuous power output, it's perfect for charging your devices and running small appliances. This generator supports dual solar input, allowing you to charge it in as little as 6 hours with compatible solar panels. Weighing only 22 pounds, it's easy to transport, and its multiple ports and a carport make it versatile for camping setups. The built-in LCD screen keeps you informed of charge levels and usage. At around $1,099, the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 is a dependable choice for mid-sized power needs. 4. EcoFlow RIVER 2 Pro, a compact and budget-friendly option with advanced features. This generator has a 768 watt-hour battery capacity and supports up to 800 W output, making it ideal for small devices and short camping trips. The standout feature is its ultra-fast charging, allowing it to recharge from 0 to 100% in just 70 minutes with AC power. Weighing just 17 pounds, it's highly portable. It also supports solar charging with an input of up to 220 watt, so you can keep it powered while off the grid. With its app integration for remote control and monitoring, the EcoFlow RIVER 2 Pro delivers excellent functionality at around $649. 3. Anker SOLIX C1000. In third place, we have the Anker SOLIX C1000, a powerful yet compact solar generator designed for longer adventures. It boasts a 1024 watt-hour capacity and 1000 watt output with a peak of 2000 watt, giving you the power to run devices like mini fridges, lights, and laptops simultaneously. The SOLIX C1000 features dual solar input, allowing you to pair up to 2 solar panels for fast charging in approximately 4 hours. It also supports ultra-fast wall charging, making it one of the most efficient options for quick top-ups. Weighing 25 pounds, it's a bit heavier but offers excellent build quality and a rugged design for outdoor use. Priced at $1,199, the Anker SOLIX C1000 is perfect for campers who need a reliable, high-capacity generator. 2. Goal Zero Yeti 500X. A lightweight and durable solar generator with a 505 watt-hour battery capacity. It's a great choice for campers looking for a balance of portability and power. With 300 watt continuous power output, 1200 watt surge, it can handle essential devices like phones, cameras, and small fans. What sets the Yeti 500X apart is its rugged, weather-resistant design, making it ideal for outdoor adventures. It's compatible with Goal Zero's solar panels for easy off-grid charging and supports pass-through charging, allowing you to use the generator while it recharges. At just 12.9 pounds, it's one of the most portable options on our list, priced around $699. 1. BLUETTI AC 180. Taking the top spot is the BLUETTI AC 180, a feature-packed powerhouse perfect for serious campers and off-grid enthusiasts. It boasts a 1152 watt-hour battery capacity with a continuous 1000 watt output, 1800 watt surge, giving it the ability to power everything from lights to small appliances. The AC 180 features super-fast charging, going from 0 to 80% in just 45 minutes via AC power. Its solar charging input supports up to 500 watt, ensuring quick recharging even in remote areas. The rugged design, multiple charging ports, and excellent LCD interface make it a standout choice. Weighing 37 pounds, it's the heaviest on our list, but its advanced capabilities and price point of $899 make it the best overall value for campers seeking reliable, long-lasting power. There you have it, the top 5 solar generators for camping in 2024. Whether you're looking for portability, fast charging, or high capacity, these generators have you covered. Each one is a fantastic investment for making your outdoor adventures more comfortable and sustainable. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more gear reviews and outdoor tips. Let us know in the comments which generator you're considering for your next trip. Thanks for watching and happy camping!